Today in the kitchen, we are making Parmesan crusted tilapia with some oven roasted asparagus. This came together in 20 minutes and was so good, perfect for a weeknight dinner. In a small bowl, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter and then the rest of the ingredients that are listed down below, plus my low sodium all purpose seasoning, which has smoked paprika. It is so good for this fish and actually any dish. We're going to crumble this up and then I'm going to take about a pound of fish. These are fillets that I just cut in half and it's white fish, it's tilapia. Pat them dry, season with my low sodium all purpose seasoning, and then top them off with about a fourth a cup of the Parmesan mixture. I add some asparagus to the side with some olive oil and my low sodium all purpose seasoning. We're going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. The fish will not take long to cook at all. You're just going until it flakes easily like a fish. I like to top it off with a little bit of lemon squeeze right out if it comes out of the oven, and I serve this alongside some bagged microwaved white rice and then also some of my homemade tartar sauce. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I'll see you next time in the kitchen.